Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the best products in the market so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of travel accessories, and I'm excited to introduce you to what I believe are the best stackable travel containers for toiletries out there. Meet the Mrsdry travel bottles for toiletries. These TSA-approved, portable, leak-proof silicone containers are a game-changer for travelers. Let's delve into why they've earned the top spot. First off, these bottles boast a 3-layer leak-proof design, ensuring your liquid stays securely contained without any messy spills. That means no more ruined clothes or toiletry mishaps in your luggage. And speaking of convenience, the squeezable silicone material makes it effortless to get every last drop of your favorite products. Say goodbye to wasted shampoo or lotion. Plus, with the included clear toiletry bag, organizing your essentials for airport security checks is a breeze. No more fumbling around for that tiny bottle buried in your bag. Now, let's talk about versatility. These bottles are perfect for a wide range of liquids, from shampoo and conditioner to hand sanitizer and shower gel. And with a generous 3 ounces capacity, they're ideal for both short trips and extended travels. One of my favorite features is the wide opening design, making it super easy to fill the bottles with your preferred toiletries. No more spills or messes during the refill process. And finally, the no-drip valve ensures that you dispense just the right amount of product every time, minimizing waste and keeping things tidy on the go. So there you have it, folks. The Mrsdry travel bottles for toiletries are, without a doubt, the best stackable travel containers for toiletries on the market. With their leak-proof design, convenient size, and eco-friendly materials, they're a must-have for any jet-setter. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy travels!